So in this video, I'll be discussing why it's important for you to upgrade your laptop RAM. I'll also be giving you a selection of scenarios where it's important for you to upgrade your RAM in, and then I'll be giving you a list of tools that will help you complete the process successfully. This is your beginner's friendly guide to doing so. Laptop RAMs come in various sizes, shapes, and specifications. So it is very important that when you do your search and you investigate what type is best suited for your computer, you get the details correct so that when it's time to replace your RAM, you won't encounter any difficulties. Now after you have secured the RAM, you are going to lay your laptop or a computer on a flat surface and locate the RAM compartment, which should be somewhere at the back of your computer or laptop. Some devices require that you pull the keyboard in order to access that section, so consult your manual for more information. Afterwards, make sure that you unscrew the screws. After you do so, unclip or unfasten the safety mechanisms that hold the RAM in place and hold the RAM by the sides. Lay it on an anti-static surface and place the new RAM into its designated slot. Afterwards, repeat the process to close the tray and test your computer to see if the new RAM works. If it doesn't work, consult your manual for more information or consult a technician for extra advice. I hope that this guide has been helpful to you, and I am looking forward to seeing you on the next video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll address them as soon as possible. Take care, guys.